Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine, healthy, and safe at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, welcome to your online classes. Today, we are going to solve the half exercises of chapter 19. Student, it is part 2. In part 1, I'm explain all the exercises of chapter 9 and the remaining exercises I'm going to explain in my today's video. So student, here is the exercise B. In exercise B, there is a fill in the blanks with the kind of preposition mentioned in the brackets. So students, in my last video, we have also learned about the preposition and their kinds. So now let's solve the given exercises. Okay, so here is the first. In number 1, the swimmer dived blank the pool. So here is the kind of preposition is movement. So we have to write the correct preposition on the blanks into. Okay, into, I-N-T-O, into. Next, number 2, a wind chime is hanging dash his head. Here is the kinds of preposition is place. So we have to use the correct preposition word over. O-V-E-R, over. Okay student. Next, number 3. In number 3, there is a sentence, what did you do blank Saturday. Here is the kind of preposition is time. So we have to write on. We have to write on, O-N, on. So what did you do on Saturday? Okay. Next, number 4. In number 4, there is a sentence, I hung my coat blank the door. So here is the preposition kind, place. So we have to write in front of. In front of. Okay. I-N in, F-R-O-N-T, front, O-F, off. In front of the door. I hung my coat in front of the door. Okay student. Now come to the next, number 5. My cat ran blank the rat. So we have to write my cat ran after the rat. Here we have to use the correct preposition after, A-F-T-E-R, after. Okay student. Now number 6. In number 6, Mr. Smith has brown hat blank his head. His head. So here is the kind of preposition is place. So we have to write on. We have to write on. Okay. Now 7. I haven't gone to Nainital blank 2012. Here is the preposition of kind, time. So we have to use the correct word in. I-N, in. Okay student. So now next, number 8. Number 8 is sentence, the boys played football blank the field. So here is the preposition of kind is place. So we have to write in, I-N, in. Okay student. So now come to the next, number 9. In number 9, Tanu and Manu went blank the hill. Tanu and Manu went blank the hill. So here is the preposition of kind is movement. So we have to use correct preposition word up to. U-P-T-O, up to. Okay. Now come to the last. In number 10. In number 10, there is a they started their journey blank 6 in the morning. Okay. Here is the preposition of time. So we have to write at, A-T, at. They started their journey at 6 in the morning. Okay student. So now come to the next exercise. After completing the exercise B, come to the next exercise, which is exercise C. So in exercise C, each of these sentences has an incorrect preposition identified and correct. Okay, so in these given sentences we have to find out the preposition is it correct or not. Okay, so we have to correct the given incorrect preposition. So in number 1 we can see, in number 1 there is a I met him on Lucknow at Uttar Pradesh. So student, we have to change this given preposition on and it at. Okay, we have to write I met him at Lucknow at Uttar Pradesh. Okay, at Uttar Pradesh. So next, do the next. In number 2, the bucket fell on the well with a splash. Okay, so we have to use in place of on the correct preposition which is in. So we have to write the bucket fell in the well with a splash. Okay, after doing the second, now come to the next. In number 3, the sentence is, what are you doing at Sunday? What are you doing at Sunday? So student, in place of at we have to use the correct preposition which is on. Okay, so we have to write what are you doing on Sunday? What are you doing on Sunday? So now come to the next. Next sentence is number 4. In number 4, a basket full of fruits is kept in the table. Here is the sentence, a basket full of fruits is kept in the table. So student, here is the preposition word is in and it is a wrong. We have to use this in. We have to convert in on. We have to write on in place of in. Okay, so we have to write a basket full of fruits is kept on the table. We have to use in place of in on. Okay, now come to the next. Next is number 5. The library is open on 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So student, we have to use in place of on until. Okay, we have to use the both two preposition on or until and at. Okay, so here we have using until. The library is open until 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have to write the library is open until 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay student, so now come to the next, number 6. In number 6 there is a sentence, I slept the moment I stepped onto the platform. I slept the moment I stepped onto the platform. So here in the place of onto we have to use at. Okay, so the sentence become, I slept the moment I stepped at the platform. Okay, after doing the number 6, now come to the next, number 7. In number 7 there is sentence, Vani had promised to be back from 5 o'clock. Vani had promised to be back from 5 o'clock. So we have to write Vani had promised to be back before 5 o'clock. In place of from we have to use word before. Okay student. So now come to the next. Next is number 8. In number 8 there is a sentence, there is a park after the hospital. There is a park after the hospital. So in place of after, we have to use the word correct preposition in front of. Okay, so we have to write there is a park in front of the hospital. Okay students, after doing this, now come to the next, number 9. In number 9 there is a sentence, my birthday falls on April. My birthday falls on April. So we have to use in place of on in. My birthday falls in April. Okay, now this is the last one. So in number 10 there is a sentence, the teacher pointed behind the board. The teacher pointed behind the board. So student, in place of behind we have to use the correct preposition at. The teacher pointed at the board. Board. Okay, so the sentence become the teacher pointed at the board. Okay student, so I hope you all are understood that how to complete these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay students, so till then take care, stay safe, stay healthy and complete your exercises in your notebook. Okay student, thank you.